You want to become a consistently profitable trader, but there needs to be something to be consistent about. There's where your trade plan comes in. I don't care how much ICT videos you watched or how fancy your fair value gaps are. Without a trade plan, your trading stays completely random. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create a bulletproof trade plan with 6 different sections. We are in layer 3 of the trader pyramid, and in this phase, we're going over the trade plan, napkin test, win rates, the 5 rules, and the best routine you can have. So no time to waste, let's go. In your trade plan, there are 6 different sections. The first section is your trading goal. And it's not like I want to make $1 million, but we need to calculate it. Calculate your current monthly expenses and do it times 1.3. That is your total monthly income goal. And do this for your 90-day goal and do this for your 6-month goal. So we actually have a goal so we can reverse engineer that, how much we actually need to start making and what account sizes we need to start using to start working towards that goal. The second section is the market you are trading. And pick your market, your assets, based on your schedule and your time zone. Not because I tell you that, but because it needs to work for you. If you can trade the New York session, or the London session or the PM session, figure out what works best with your trading schedule and pick the 2 primary pairs that fit that kill zone. You want to, for example, trade the US indices like NASDAQ, make sure you can trade the New York Open. If you want to trade the London session, you can trade, for example, the DAX, German index, or the Euro and GBP pairs. So a simple rule is if you cannot be at the screen during the New York Open, just don't trade the New York Open. The third section should be your napkin version. And in the next episode of this futures mentorship, we'll dive deeper into the napkin. But the napkin version is basically a 10-year-old should be able to follow it. Just 4 simple sentences. What must happen on a higher time frame? What is your exact entry trigger? Where do you place your stop loss? Where do you place your TP? That's it. And when you have your napkin, there needs to be risk parameters in place. 3 numbers. What is your fixed dollar risk per trade? What risk to reward do you shoot? And when do you actually walk away? Because as traders, we don't have a 100% win rate, so you have losing days. From what point do you say, hey, this is a losing day, I just need to walk away? It can be a certain amount of losing trades, or it can be a certain amount of money you lost. Because at the end of the day, we are not chasing a high win rate, we are chasing making money. So that means not wiping ourselves out on losing days. And if you want a step-by-step template on how to create your trade plan based on this video and the next videos about trade plan, I'll leave a template inside description and inside my free Discord. The 5th section is your schedule. Ideally, make it as short as possible so you don't have 8 hours of chart time. For most traders, my trading included, I want to use trading as a vehicle to freedom. And freedom for me is not sitting at the charts for 10 hours per day. I want to minimize my chart time. So I need to be very intentional on how to plan that session. So you need to have a pre-market routine, you need to have a time to trade, and you need to have a post-session routine. We are going over this in a later video, but there needs to be certain elements in place, what you do pre-market and post-market, so you are prepared to take your trades and you collect data and reflect on what you did on the actual trade day, but make that window as short as possible. And don't forget, as part of your schedule, to let people in that you are trading. Nobody interrupts. They need to know that you are trading. That means just like you have a meeting at work, when you are trading, nobody disturbs you. It is just you and the charts. And the final section is your checklist. Make sure that in your trade plan, all these are marked out right now. So you have a clear income target, you know your kill zones and your pairs. You can explain your entry model in 4 sentences. You know your risk, you know the risk reward you're shooting, and of course the win rate. You need to pair with that, more on that in a later video. You have a max daily loss rule. That means if that happens, you just walk away, whatever happens, and you're not a bad trader. You're actually a very professional trader, because what separates most losing traders with winning traders is the ability to just be wrong, put your ego aside, even when they feel very bad, like this is not my day, I'm just gonna walk away so I don't need to trade myself out of drawdown the next couple of days. And you have a routine with specific times. So every day is the same. Pre-market, you do some stuff, you go to the charts, take your trades. When you're done trading, you do a post-market analysis where you just review, reflect, and you know what to improve when the next trade day comes. And pause the video right now and screenshot this. These are the 6 sections of your trade plan. Template for this, again, is inside the description and inside my free Discord. So your trading goals, the market you're trading, your entry model in 4 sentences, your risk, your schedule, and the checklist. And in the next episodes, we're going to build on top of this. At the end of the day, following a mentorship like this A mentor needs to create independent thinking. Most people just join a 99 per month Discord group, get their signals in, live trade with them, and hopefully they will feed them all the trades. But the whole thing about a mentorship is to create independent thinking. You have the frameworks in place that you can go on the charts and execute yourself. You make your ideas yourself. And at some point in time, you can still join your mentor stream. You can still chill with your mentor, but you don't need that person anymore. That is what a mentorship does. And that is what these 35 episodes will fix for you. And here you have it, part 21 in the third layer of the trader pyramid. If you got value from this video, make sure you like it, share it with a trading friend, and make sure you're subscribed with the notification bell on to not miss out on any of the 35 episodes here in this futures mentorship. Links to the slides, PDFs, the template of the trade plan is inside the description and also inside the free Discord with 100 hours of more free education. The next video of the mentorship is now appearing on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one.